king's time as ruler rises and falls like the sun. One day, Simba, the sun will set on my time here and will rise with you as the new king.
And this'll all be mine?
Everything.
Everything the light touches. What about that shadowy place?
That's beyond our borders. Let's never go there, Simba.
But I thought a king can do whatever he wants.
Well, there's no to being king and getting your way all the time.
There's more?
Simba. Everything you see exists together in a delicate balance. As king, you need to understand that balance and respect all the creatures, from the crawling ant to the leaping antelope.
Dad, don't we eat the antelope?
Yes, Simba, but let me explain. When we die, our bodies become the grass, and the antelope eat the grass. And so, we are all connected in the great circle of life.
Hey, Jay? Do you think you could take Ethan to school? Thank you.
On the good ship, lollipop, it's a sweet trip to a candy shop where bonbons play on the sunny beach in Peppermint Bay. Lemonade stand everywhere, Cracker Jack band, belly air, and there you are, happy landing on a chocolate bar.
Whoa!
What's the matter, kid? You never seen one that big?
No, what is it?
You're kidding me, right?
Is it poop?
No. Those are dog eggs.
Dog eggs?
Mm-hmm. Dog eggs. You go ahead and you take them home. You put them underneath your pillow. The warmth from your head keeps the little dog eggs warm like a little chicken. And in the morning they hatch. And when they do hatch, a whole bunch of beautiful puppies are waiting for you to lick your face and eat the cereal out of your teeth and stuff in the morning time.
Oh, can I take some dog eggs? How many put underneath my pillow?
Absolutely.
Mom! Dog eggs!
What?
Dog eggs! Can I put those under my pillow too?
2?